Dulag Educators Action Plan is grounded in the recognition that advanced graduate studies are essential for elevating the quality of local education and meeting the evolving demands of the 21st century learners. This scholarship program for master's and doctorate degrees addresses critical barriers while fostering a culture of lifelong learning among the active educators in Dulag Municipality. So our objectives: support career advancement and professional growth, alleviate financial barriers, foster educational leadership, and strengthen service commitment. So our strategies are as follows. This may be added if you may so. Posting an announcement for the LGU Dulag scholars for master's and doctorate degree, indicating the criteria, qualifications, and schedule of activities. 2, acceptance of application. So what are the requirements? The letter of intent, TOR with SO, PDS, service record, plus factor if you have orders received or awards received. Then we have the validation of documents. Then the selection of applicants. In case there are many applicants, we will be conducting a behavioral interview and written exam. Then we will have an announcement and awarding of the scholars with MOA, with the following conditions. The following conditions are: should earn the degree within the usual time frame, so 2 years. Master's degree should be thesis-based, doctoral, dissertation. Hindi pwede non-thesis. At least 2 years of community service after graduation. Covers tuition fee and thesis and dissertation expenses. Of course, they have to submit or present their semestral grade for our M&E, where the grade should not be lower than 2.0.
We will increase
Increase na.
1.5.
1.5 taas.
Kasi, kung nag 2.0, add na to the na.
Yes.
I want to have it, to push it. Kasi kung may
For
nagiging
1.5.
stipend, hindi rin ako mamay.
Yes.
Makakita kami mga tao mabakangon. Tura-tura.
Okay.
So, at least, the lowest grade is 1.5.
1.5.
Okay.
You can have a lowest grade of 2.0.
Scholar.
But if we add, automatic 1.5.
Okay, resources. Focal persons, of course, kaming tatlo plus, we would like to add two master teachers for the validation. Physical resources, we need bond papers, laptop ink, and printer. Financial resources, this is 15 days. 5 days for the submission, 5 days for validation, 5 days for the selection. So, we have 300 per day. So, 5 person times 300 times 15 days. So, that would be 24,250. Plus, the office supplies, bond paper, and the ink, 1,750. The total is 24,250. Remarks. Our accomplishment, we should have a poster to be posted online. Of course, we will have a letter for the PSDS so that it will be cascaded to the schools. Then, files of the applicants, criteria. Then we have the checklist for the criteria template that will be used in validating behavioral interview questions, written examination questions, the list of qualifiers, the memorandum of agreement, and the monitoring and evaluation checklist.
Okay.
That's all.
So, may ano ko dyan, please include yung number 1.
Okay.
Pakibasa yung number 1.
Objectives?
No. At diba?
Activity.
Yung number 1 mo doon, where we are going to post the date, the specific date when you are going to start?
Our schedule is, this will be on the first week of
April.
April.
Apo.
Okay, so what you will do is, you make a refinement of that, then please give it to me before end of February.
Okay, so all of these
You
will
choose
be,
now your additional 2 master teachers to help you.
Ma'am, si Sir Ariel.
Sir Ariel is busy for
Sir
study.
Ariel is busy. Okay, so we
In a way,
will be
Sir Ariel
discussing.
is included there for an
Yes, I have written Sir Ariel sa Korea.
for an interview so that we can augment your expenses.
Okay, so first week of the month of April will be acceptance of the requirements of the LOI.
You try to have it so that we can post that in a strategic position places for that.
Ah.
At least naman mga tao, uy,
Aware.
scholarship ni G, pag ginawa mo daw ini ma-apply namin.
We will.
Okay, so, ano po nito ha? Waray ka lang,
Pero,
pilit. Waray ka lang, kimi. Kaya kung di ka mahadara yan ha, 5 years ko dito, makasay, kung mabay kwarta, gusto mo ubos na tanan. Pero, see to 8 nga,
yes ma'am.
sabit-sabit.
May question po.
Question.
Clarify with regards to the scholars will undergo community service. In what kind of community service?
Sige na.
Yeah, because we have included here, at least they have to give back, return of investment kita after earning the degree. So, anyway, you will be called by the
Oo. Kaya ano,
Office.
there are some teachers na magkatapos na ganani, di ka na mag-insilling with mga tao ng itagian. So, for example ako, nakatapos ako ng doctoral with health. So ako naman, I'll be working in school for at least 2 years. Kung saan ako mag-transfer to another school. Opo.
at least 2 years. Okay, what we lack here is, Ma'am Flora is asking, Ma'am, we should define the kind of community service these graduates, our scholars, will be
Undergo.
giving to the community.
Oh.
Okay, ano sir?
Sweeping. Ayaw ko.
Sweeping.
Natapos ko sweeping.
Yeah. Okay. Okay po. Yes, pwede ba? Based on your study, and one thing is, he or she should apply or implement the thesis he had.
Application.
Application of
the
education.
thesis.
The thesis he had submitted and defended in the graduate schools. Ma'am, sir? Yes. Application of education.
Graduation.
So when we define what kind of community service, maybe it would vary from the scholars, what type of thesis they have presented. But basically, they would have to lead on the research. Diba? Pag-research, paghahatag in technical assistance to teachers. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Within the community. Yes. Opo. Yes, ma'am. So that would be all. Good afternoon.
Excuse me, Colin.
Yes, ma'am.
Doon lang sa community service. This is after graduation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kasi ang community service, lalong-lalo na after graduation, you look for a job. Tama ba? If the community service, you are being paid for giving service to anumang klaseng servisyo yan na ibibigay mo sa college, eh kailangan may bayad na. Kasi if this is for free, then parang mong pinabayad mo sa kanyang scholarship. You know what I mean? So,
That would be an honorarium.
yes, but not a requirement for all those graduates to go into service.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Noted po.
Kasi kung ako, magtatrabaho na ako, di ba, I will look for a job so that I can
Teachers
earn.
man nila. They are in
Oo.
service.
So if naman mag-community service siya, di ba?
They are in
Hindi
service.
dapat na-force. So, Kasi just like kami, no, after my graduation, I went, after my board exams, we went into community health service.
Mga
In fact, hindi ako nag-rural health. Pero sinisweldohan kami ng DOH. May allowance.
Sir Colin.
Diba? But it's fair. Kasi
Okay.
if you give free service, it is because I was a scholar, then I am forced, to give back. Thank you.
Okay, so there are two, ma'am, may point si ma'am, may point na sinasabi si Ma'am Pika at saka dito sa sila Sir Solomon. Okay, this is the question. Based on what has been raised, are we giving the scholarship to those active educators or to those educators who will be applying for a job first?
Active na yan.
Unactive.
Yeah.
Active na yan.
So I think,
We will not give scholarship for those who graduated only this year.
ma'am, active defined as you are already teaching,
Regular.
you are already in service.
Yeah.
Okay.
Service.
That includes in your award. Please.
Yes, sir.
This must be clear to everyone that those who will be qualified for scholarship are performance-based. Meaning to say,
Asyo.
dapat awarded tayo. It could be the district Pasidugo or the municipal. Kasi yun ang pinag-usapan natin, di ba? So, second na to na, ang unang
Qualification.
first consideration for the project J in educators. Meron tayong, aside sa DepEd na Pasidugo, pag-create din ng awarding body ang munisipyo. And by that, doon tayo pipili ng mga would-be scholars. Kasi ito nga, performance-based ito. So meaning to say, automatic na yung applicant dito, yung mga awardees.
So, doon sa criteria mo,
We included in our criteria honors and awards received, but we just called it plus factor. However, with these suggestions, we will be putting it as one of the major criteria.
so,
Thank you.
Nadali. Yung na yun. So, pag mo, pagawas nito nga ito, take note that everything you wanted to is in the
Poster.
poster. So that, wala na natin
Question.
question. And all in the poster should be in the MOA.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you po.
February D.
February.
D. Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Angela.
Next group, livelihood.
So 1 point. 1 point.
Wala pa turutiya.